Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this base. The base dimension is 130 by 50. The thickness is 12 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. So I am going with MMGS template. Select extrude, select the top plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimensions 130 by 50. So finish sketch. The thickness is 12 mm. Next, this circular part, the outer dia is 70 mm, the length is 62 mm, there is a 12 mm offset here. Select this surface, sketch. You can press the Ctrl 8 for normal. Create one circle, give the dimension, (70), here to here 110, give the vertical alignment, finish sketch. Go to edit sketch. You can see there is a one plate, that thickness is 6 mm. We can do it now. Now finish sketch. Extrude, select this first. Here we can select reverse the direction. Length we need 62 mm, and here select offset. Offset is 12 mm. Okay. Next select the same sketch, extrude, select this face, reverse the direction, thickness we want only 6 mm. Next I will create backside also one plate is there and front side one rib is there. For that select the right plane, sketch, create front rib first, give the dimensions. From the bottom the dimension is 20 mm. Finish sketch, select rib here, reverse the direction, rib thickness is 6 mm both side. Sorry, this is 6 mm. Okay, we need to rebuild the sketch. Go to edit sketch, just extend this line. Now select the rib, reverse the direction, thickness is 6 mm. Okay. Same this side also, select the same right plane, sketch, create center line here, check with rib, or we can do it extrude also. Yes, it will take. Now select for this feature the dimension is 70 mm and this is R30, R15, diameter 30, offset is 6 mm. Same plane, sketch, create on dia 30 circle, here to here 21, 15 plus 6. The height is height between base to hole, create on diagonal hole, give the dimension here to here, or we can give the constraint here. $35. You can trim this, not required this circle. Finish sketch, extrude, select here mid plane, the dimension is 70 mm. Okay, Control 7. Select this surface, sketch, create on circle, the diameter is 60 mm. And also create one corner rectangle, give the dimension. You can see here there is a cutout 3 mm. We can drag this line up to this circle. So this height is not required. We can trim this. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here we can select through all. Okay, Control 7. Next there is a 2 holes, diameter 15, pitch is 90. Select hole wizard. Here select diameter 15 is okay. Positions, select the surface, place the holes, give the dimensions. The pitch is 90 mm. We can give the 45 mm here from the center. Give the constraints, horizontal,